Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag Plus. So this is my first time getting the Plus. I was finally able to get past that list and get on here, so I'm excited. It actually didn't take very long. I maybe have gotten Ipsy again for the past couple of months and I was able to upgrade, so I'm really excited to open this up and see what's in it. Based off of some of the spoilers I saw, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this particular one, but overall it seems to be a really good box. $25 instead of $10, so you do pay a little bit more for this one, so you do get full size items in this one, which is very exciting. So before we dive into the unboxing, I want to say quickly thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you do enjoy any of my videos, particularly unboxings, any liking of the video, commenting, sharing is so very important, because it seems like lately some of my videos are just like completely off the radar. They're not even being found by some of my subscribers, or they're letting me know sometimes days and weeks later, I didn't even know this video was here. So if you are interested, of course, be sure that you are subscribed and that you have notifications turned on. My last unboxing was the Kinder Beauty Box, which is a vegan subscription. If you haven't seen that one, please go take a look. That video is like hidden. I don't know what's going on. People aren't seeing it. So I would appreciate all the love. Thank you so much for everything that you guys do. And of course, letting me have this little place to hang out with you guys. So thank you for anything that you do. I appreciate it so much. And without further ado, let's get into this box. I'm trying to act like I'm on a tropical vacation. Really, that's just water with collagen powder in it. So fun. Let's get into it. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. That's right. There's a little card inside, tells you a little bit of what's going on in here. So the first thing I see is a palette. This is called Moods by Laura Sanchez. I actually don't know who that is. That's probably my bad. It is cute though. The little circles with the colors on the back are cute with all the little cartoons in there. And this looks pretty cool. It's like, it says Moods, but you actually turn it over and it's got the face. So this is what the palette looks like. It looks pretty interesting. There's a brush in here. In the palette there are 8 eyeshadows and it looks like a couple of highlights maybe. Let me swatch those first. Okay, so those are the two, what I'm assuming are highlights. That first one looks a little powdery. Oh, it's like a pinky, maybe iridescent. The other one looks a little bit more like a normal quote-unquote highlight. Here are those two swatched out a little bit better. So this one doesn't have as much of a glow. It has more of like that iridescent shift to it, and then you get a little bit more of a traditional highlight here. I'm kind of partial to that one myself. I'm interested in this yellow because I of course have some yellow on my eyes today. That is a matte yellow, so that is not, oh crap. Let's see. Pink looks okay. It's weird because these powders are really smooth feeling, but it's like the powder itself is not very opaque, even though it's incredibly smooth. Here is the mattes in the palette. My swatches look awful. Alright, so here are the 4 shimmers. Now these look gorgeous, but to me, having amazing mattes are kind of more important than amazing shimmers, because you can take a not so fabulous shimmer and, you know, make it look pretty. You can wet it, you can use the finger, press it in, you can use some Fix Plus. There's all sorts of things you can do, but with a matte, like if it's not good, it's not good. Here are the shades. Those are pretty. Like, those are really, really gorgeous. The mattes are kind of underwhelming for me. It's like the pigment is there, but it's not opaque. It almost has like a see-through kind of quality on the skin, even when I swatched it really heavily. But I will definitely give this a try. It will certainly be quite different on the eyes, and we'll find out. The next thing is the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush number 704. I know they have some really, really nice brushes. So there is the brush. It feels really nice. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of this, because honestly I'm very much a sponge girl when it comes to foundation, and rarely do I actually use brushes, even though there are great foundations out there that work best with a brush. I am just a sponge girl. I love the application. So that is the brush. I think I'm going to give it a shot, and if I don't like it, I can always clean it up and pass it on to my mom. I'm interested to try it because I've heard nothing but great things about It Cosmetics brushes, and I think I have maybe one of their brushes that I really like, but I've never purchased a set or anything. So yeah, it's a pretty nice thing to get in a subscription box though. Next I have the Benefit Highbrow Pencil. So this is the one that's like the highlighter, creamy brow highlighting pencil. I'm fairly certain that I have one of these, and it's not something that I use a lot, so I'm gonna put this to the side, but I'll show you real quick what it looks like. And of course that's the actual pencil, but I'm not gonna swatch it or anything. I'm just gonna, and I'll be doing another giveaway fairly soon, so I'm gonna throw that to the side and save it for one of you guys. Yeah, I'm guessing this is a body moisturizer. So this is the Feel Balanced Moisture Balancing Cream. It's like that. I think I've had maybe one thing from this brand before, but I haven't tried a lot. Here's it on my hand. Feels nice. It's not overly like greasy or anything. Kind of sinks in quickly. It kind of smells like just natural. Doesn't have a heavy scent in it, which I don't like overpowering scents of lotion anyway. It says it has cucumber extract to soothe, hydrating and anti-inflammatory powers as well. And it has elder tree extract for fresh glowing skin. It has aloe, safflower seed oil. So those are a few of the top ingredients, but that is the moisturizer. I will definitely give that a shot and let you guys know what I think about it in a vlog. We've got one more item left. So this is the Paris Hilton Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System Dual Action Cleansing Gel. I don't want to be one of those people that just like hates on people for no reason, but does anybody else cringe a little bit when they hear Paris Hilton? I just do. So this is just a cleanser. It is cruelty free, and that's kind of cute. It has, for the cruelty free symbol, instead of the bunny, it has a little picture of a dog, which I know she's known for her little chihuahuas or whatever. I'm kind of curious about it, but I have so much skincare, and I don't know, I'm kind of, maybe I'll pass it on to my mom. I don't know. It could be an amazing cleanser. I don't know, so I'm not bashing by any means, but yeah, I don't know. It's just not a brand that I would be super stoked to receive. So there you go. So for 25 bucks, we got a full-size cleanser, a full-size palette, really nice brush, we got a full-size body cream, and then we got the brow highlighter from Benefit. So for 25 bucks, you cannot deny this is a really, really good value. Unfortunately for me, it's just not a lot of things that I'm really excited about, and I am really, really picky, so please take that with a grain of salt. These products just don't necessarily align with my favorite things, but that is not to say they are not good. So I am going to use a few of these, and I'll keep you guys updated in my vlogs if you want to know more. If you have any questions, leave that down below. I will link Ipsy if you want to check it out, of course. I know most of you guys are probably well familiar with it, but if you are interested, it will be linked there for you. And thank you again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Guess what time it is? Our wedding was so beautiful. Even the cake was in tears.